Are you looking for Phelan, California homes for sale? Well, you're in the right place. Check out this brand new construction Phelan, California home tour. It doesn't matter if you're already living in Phelan, California, or if you just started thinking about moving to Phelan, California. If you find these videos to be a time saver, make sure to subscribe to the channel so I know what videos to keep making. My name's Dave Rupp, also known as Dr. Hot Rod the Realtor. I'm a Phelan, California real estate agent for Exp Realty. I like the kitchen. I like the granite countertops. I like that there's plenty of storage space. It's roomy. Nice. Now let's take a look in the bathroom. Okay, let's take a look at the bedrooms. This is the primary. This one is the secondary. Follow me.